Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix a Zoom mic not working. So if your Zoom mic is not working out, then you could follow this simple steps. So all you need to do is here, first of all, open the Zoom and go to settings. So in order to go to settings, you need to click on the initials and then here you could find your information. Just go to the gear icon. Then you could go ahead and leave my account section and click on settings from the bottom left hand side. So when you go to the settings section, there you locate something like volume, mic, and all that. So but you need to go ahead and make sure to enable the permissions. So here it is recording. You could go with voice recorder and something like that and enable the options. Other than that, what you could also do is while you're on this page, just click on this arrow icon at the top left corner. Here it is. There you can actually go ahead and make sure to enable the settings for microphone. So this is one way of helping out or fixing your issue. Then apart from it, if the issue still persists on, you could also test your microphone. So you could just go to the search bar on your device and type in microphone. So when you go to this, or you could just type in mic and look for the options or the settings here, and that should be able to fix. Despite all this procedure, if nothing works out, then you want to make sure to restart your computer or restart your Zoom or check for any sort of update available that might be able to help you out. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.